Okay, let's write down here. A equals x. 2ab equals 6x. If you can change in quadratics, sorry, simultaneous. Yeah. So you know a is x. Can you replace the a with x? Yeah, so 2bx is equal to 6x. Right? So 2b is equal to 6. So b is equal to 3. Always. So that's why we always add the coefficient of x divided by 2 and we subtract the coefficient of x divided by 2. We always use that divided by 2. But what I show you is just the thinking process. That's the reason behind why we divide by 2. X equals 6. B is equal to 3. So you need to add 3 squared minus 3 squared, like the pink part. And then plus whatever that's in here. So basically we're going to use the first two. So what you have here should be around 100. So if you don't want to understand the reason you have to just memorize. First step, always determine the square and determine x. Write down. Here is the additional, which is the pink part. The pink part is always middle over 2. And then that middle over 2. And the first one is copy. Right? Here's the cross. So these two the same. These are okay. Alright. Next step, you are using a plus b. What is your a? X. What is your b again? 1, 4, 3. Yep. So 3. And this bracket here is equivalent to these 3. And I just need to do the calculation of this one. And then write down another one. It's always like that. Okay? Complete the square 呢叫做配平方，对吧？如果你看上面的话 ，x 方的4x 它的规律是什么呢？给你一个式子的话，带方的和带 x 的照抄下来。那么这里你要照抄的是哪两个？对，那你先写下来。好，然后接下来粉色的部分呢，你加的那个一定是 x 前面的数字除以2。那么 x 前面的数字好就是加括号6除以2的平方。So these 3 terms now satisfy a squared, 2ab, b squared. And you can change these 3 terms into a plus b. So it's n plus 3 plus b. That is squared. Right? And then these ones just group them together as a number. 1, 2, 3 goes here. But this one and this one goes together. So that's minus 9. That's plus 2. That's minus 8. Does that make sense? So you're always adding 2 extra terms. The first term gives the first 2 factors. Combine here. Last 2, you calculate it. You can get this number. And with b is the same. So b is minus. That means we're going to use the minus version. For this one, that's 9. Yeah. Minus 9. So, yeah, minus 9 plus 1 is negative 8. Yeah, it's 109, but 9 is corresponding to b squared. You only want b. Oh, you only have 1. Just get rid of this one's good. Yeah. And this one's still there. So yeah, that's right, that's right. And these 2, you're going to subtract it because you can't change your expression, right? Same thing, but with the minus. Okay, you use the minus version. So equals. First 2 terms copy down. And then you add the additional, which is a over 2 minus a. And then minus a over 2 squared. And don't forget on the other side. And these 3 terms just go together. Does that make sense? Alright. Yes. Because you want to complete the square. The square means perfect square, which is the equations on the top. So a squared plus 2ab. Because the purpose here is you want to change this into the power form. But the power form is characterized by, what's special about power form is a bracket to power 2. Okay? So you want a perfect square. This is what we call perfect square. It could be plus, it could be minus. So in this case, we copy this term, copy that term, and then we add the middle term over 2. So it's always over 2. Always middle number over 2. That is because that should be 2ab. 2. I'll just keep going on that, yeah. So if you have finished practice question A and B, you can keep going with the next one. So this one, what you need to do is divide it by 2 first, okay? There are a couple more at the back.
感谢关注，我们下期课堂再见。记得点赞关注哦。